A payment item can be created by clicking on the Item button, then New, and then selecting it in the Item Type window. Use this type of item to record a partial payment at the time of the sale. It will reduce the amount owed on an invoice, but you can only put in a payment amount up to the invoice amount. In other words, you can't create a negative amount invoice. The payment item setup allows you to put in an item name and description just like other item setups, but it also allows you to select the payment method if you want, whether it be cash, check, credit card, etc., and also prompt you to select how you want these funds accounted for in terms of it either being part of the undeposited funds process, which we cover later in the course under the banking lesson, or if you want it to be recorded directly in your bank account, thereby bypassing the undeposited funds process. Then you can select the second option and pick which account you want it recorded in. So why don't we create a payment item and simply call it down payment and leave the group with other undeposited funds choice selected. Now let's go to our invoice and enter this payment item in the invoice. I'm going to put in about half the amount of the current invoice as a down payment. And notice, even though I enter the amount as a positive amount, QuickBooks automatically makes it negative since it is a payment that reduces what is owed to me. Again, I want to add that the payment amount cannot make the invoice negative. If you do put in an excessive amount, it won't let you save the invoice. Now, let's go on to the last two items that can be created in QuickBooks, sales tax item and sales tax group item.